I didn't pay that close attention to the dimensions, apparently.
You know, I don't really see a problem here. I say turn on the water, mama. It's time for Splishy Splashes.
I am the sixth champion, my friend, and I'll keep on carrying sticks till the end.
And then finally, the last one. Ugh, this tastes a bit strange. Phew, disgusting. And we go again. Then me and Mum watched my favourite film, Lion King. And then she took me to bed for some beauty sleep. Bye, guys.
Why is it upside down? How do I get to Facebook?